A for apple, red and round, shining bright where lights are found. B for banana, yellow and sweet, dancing around with happy feet. C for car, zooming by, beep, 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 it loves to drive. D for donkey, strong and kind, carrying hay he doesn't mind. E for elephant, big and gray, spraying water all the way. F for frog, hopping near, croaking songs we love to hear. G for grapes, purple and small, bouncing happily one and all. H for helicopter, flying wide over the mountain side to side. I for island, calm and blue, palm trees waving just for you. J for jellyfish, soft and bright, glowing colors, what a sight. K for kite, up so high, floating freely in the sky. L for lemon, round and yellow, sour taste for every fellow. M for monkey, swinging high, cheeky grin and sparkling eye. N for nurse, gentle and neat, helping people on the street. O for ocean, deep and wide, fish and shells beneath the tide. P for penguin, black and white, sliding on ice with pure delight. Q for queen, wearing a crown, in her palace up and down. R for rocket, ready to fly, zooming quickly through the sky. S for star, shining bright, twinkling softly every night. T for turtle, reading slow, under a tree where flowers grow. U for umbrella, red and tall, keeping dry from rain that falls. V for van, near the sea, driving happy and full of glee. W for whale, splashing waves, singing softly in ocean caves. X for